Libra. So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, September 8 to 14. Yes, another weekend. Knock, knock, knock. So, salamat po sa mga OFW yung nanonood sa channel ko, Scorp's Work Tarot. Yes, so hopefully yung ating weekend ay relaxing and also looking forward to the new week. So, kalimutan natin yung nakaraang week. Yes, tapos na yun. Wala na tayong magagawa. It's a busy week actually. Maraming iba yung energy ngayon. Na kung napapanood nyo po yung balita sa TV, ito yung mga baha-baha. Remember, yung kwentuhan natin, yan ang pinagkakaabalahan eh. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung energy is more about the karma. Yan ang itinatawag kong karma. Maraming this one, karma hindi lahat ng karma negative actually, pero this one more on the negative. Na karma itong mga taong mga nangungupit sa kaban natin, naglolokohan tayo. Tama po ba, Libra? Yes. So, ano natin yan? Hindi lang po yata sa Pilipinas nangyayari yan. So, yan ang ating pagkakaabalahan ngayon. Magkwentuhan po tayo. Kuha na po kayo ng kape ninyo. So, basahin natin yung energy ni Libra, September 8 to 14. So, Libra, weighing scale. So, kailangan mo ng balance. That's the justice sign. So, that's karma also. Yeah? Hindi makapag-desisyon yan si Libra kapag hindi balance eh. And very powerful yung kanyang minsan na headspace niyan. May hinahanap yan palagi. So, inquisitive and talented and hardworking people po. So, Libra, September 8 to 14. Tama ba? Tignan natin yung energy mo. So, shout out po ako sa mga OFW. OFW din po ako, kaya alam ko ang mga yes, okay? New beginning. Ang daming new beginning ngayon. Sumusungaw. Very active yung after noong Mercury retrograde. Maraming na-pause. Maraming mga na-delay eh. So, parang napagod tayo. Ayaw na natin. Gusto nating mag-iwan na lang. Ating continuation ito ng mga decision natin. Kung merong mga hindi pa nakakapag-decide, mukhang wala na kayong choice, mga kapatid. You have to make a decision soon. Tignan ko kung meron tower na babagsak dito or justice. Kasi yung mga indecision na yan is pointing us to, yung mga crossroad is pointing us to ito nga yung the loss of karma eh. Yung baha na yan at saka yung mga basurang bumalik sa atin, malalim yung pinanggalingan, correct? So, sometimes that's how universe work. Kapag papatay-patay tayo, yung ng universe ang magkakaroon ng major shift niyan. Because that's not how it should be done. Wag loss of nature 'yan eh. Wag pilitin kung hindi para sa iyo. That's how it is. But the thing is, meron tayo indecisive because we want our way. Tama po ba? Everybody like our own way. Yeah, you want to have a celebration and the foundation. Malagkit yung baraha mo, Libra. Okay. Libra. September 8 to 14. Tingnan natin. Bigyan mo pa ako ng baraha, Libra. Tingnan natin kung ano yung energy mo. Okay. Ito ba yung baraha mo din last week? Kung hindi mo pang napuputol, I think ready ka na. September 8 to 14. Ready ka na to move on. Kasi napagod ka na eh. Ikaw rin yung pinapagod mo rin yung sarili mo eh. Pinapago, ito na naman, ito, puro ending ito eh. Ikaw ito eh, kapag nag-ano ka, na-stress, nag-ano ka, nag-overthinking. Nag-overthinking ka rito eh. Meron mang ganyan. Very Libran energy ito eh. O, ito na naman, oh. Nag-i-strategize ka ba dahil sa ano ba ang gusto mong indecisiveness na naman ito? Kung ito yung sa surrounding mo sa trabaho, let's say, hindi ka na masaya doon sa trabaho kasi ano ito eh. Hindi ka na masaya. It's, yun lang. Madaming definition na hindi ka masaya, pero hindi ka masaya. That's about it. Pero hindi ka pa rin ready ka na. Ready ka na o hindi pa? Libra. Ano ba ito? Kung sa relationship na ito eh, hindi. Pinagmumuli-mulihan po, nasa harapan na yung merong bagong oportunidad eh. Okay? Yung opportunity na yan is always yung not again, yung new na yan, hindi lahat yan I mean, new. Okay? Let's just put it this way, it's a bago. Pero not necessarily na it's something better than yung iiwanan. Okay? It's a new one. Bagong sapatos, pero you know, a situation na means meron kang paboritong sapatos but you just want to buy a new one and then is komportable ka dun sa sapatos mo. Ngayon, syempre, nagdadalawang isip ka, bibili ba ako ng bagong sapatos kasi masaya ka dun sa sapatos mo. Pero giray-giray na siya. Correct? Giray-giray na siya. Hindi na siya komportable kasi may butas eh. Pero wala na yung dating sapatos na binili mo, wala nang ganong style. Gusto mo ng bago at may bagong darating na bago but you're having that indecision. Kung bibili mo pa kasi hinahanap mo yung the same type of happy satisfaction. Agree? So yun nagiging dahilan for any indecision. Pero in this situation, I think you're gonna cut it out. I think ready ka na. Yes, I think it's ready ka na, Libra. 8 to 14 of September. I think ready ka na. I can see here all closing. Okay? Hindi ka na masaya. So, gumising ka actually. Nagising ka. Meron ba ganyan, Libra? Ayan siya, oh. This woman, this person is moving away. Kasi alam mo kung ano yung kapag sasali sa iyo. Napagod ka na eh. Kung ano man tong definition ng pagod mo is totally different from everybody. Kasi meron iba dyan, maski napagod na ayaw pa rin. Ayaw pa rin mag-desisyon o ayaw pa rin tumuloy sa bago. Anything new. Okay? So, tignan natin kung makichismis tayo, Libra, kung ano ito. So, shout out po kung makapag-resonate. I think ready ka na magtumalon ulit sa bagong adventure mo. Okay? Bagong adventure. Okay? Anything new na hindi natin ginagawang tradisyon, na hindi yung bang hindi yung hindi natin normally ginagawa outside ng comfort zone natin. It's a new adventure for us. So magiging uncomfortable ka doon eh. Pero kung ano man yung gagawin mo na yun, mukhang mabilis ito. Wala kang choice. Yes, meron mang ganyan. Nararamdaman mo na ba yung ganyang energy, Libra? Ito na naman siya, oh. Yan, oh, 6 of Wands. Binabalasa ko po yung card ko pa kada reading. So, anything like this is a double validation na patungo ka doon sa na yon, adventure. It will recognition. I think mare-recognize ka na. Yes? Mare-recognize ka na daw. Sabi, mare-recognize ka na daw. Yes? Kung ano man itong iniwan mo na ito, naghihintay ka. Ngayon, hindi ka pa makapag-decide. Ngayon, tignan natin to Libra, September 8 to 40. Ano ba tong gusto mong dinidesisyonan na ito na pinutol mo siya? Kasi hindi ka na masaya. Plain and simple. Tignan natin. Related ba? Kung saan ba to related? Nag-i-strategize ka na eh. Ano, nag-iipon ka ba ng pamasahe? Or ano ba ito? Ano ba? Ano itong hinihintay mo? This is a sana all moment actually. I like this type of energy na mahirap itong to go away. You know, to cut something. Mahirap 'yan. Lalo kay Libra, mahirap 'yan. Tignan natin kung ano yung istorya na 'yan. Libra, September 8 to 14. Yeah, mas gusto ko pong ibinibigay ng card yung ng tarot yung card para mas okay. May message kang dumating ito sa lahat tayo may intuition. Pinagana mo yung emotion, yung intuition mo itong kumbaga sa may sign, the sign is all over the wall. Kumbaga sa nakasulat siya. Yes. Meron kang meron kang kaibigan bang Scorpio? Scorpio, Pisces o Cancer. Close ang mga Libra dyan eh. Na kung merong advice or something or you want to get connected with them. Okay. So yung decision na yan, what makes you happy actually relative din ito sa sa puso mo. Nanay or somebody close to your heart, maybe your spouse or your partner. Yes. O ito yung tipong magsasama na kayo ng family mo. Oops, sorry, madami ito. Tingnan natin, Libra. Meron bang ganyan? Nag-i-strategize ka. You're strategizing to move somewhere. Okay? Ayan, meron kang tinapos. Nakabitin ka. Okay, change daw your perspective. Okay? I think you did that. You just change your perspective. Merong kumbaga sa relationship ito yung meron ka hinahanap sa boyfriend mo o sa girlfriend mo or something pero hindi niya ma-offer yun. Okay? Hindi niya ma-offer yun. Would that make that relationship a failure? Yes? Ganon ba yun? Would that relationship no longer be successful? Yes? So, gusto mong tapusin. Yun ang decision mo. Yun ang ini-strategize mo. Tama ba? Kung pinutol mo na yan, you just realize na that's the winning moment for you. And this one, meron bang mga chismis? Very interesting ito, Libra. Meron very interesting ito. September 8 to 14. Malapit na kasi yung mag-birthday tong Libra eh. Meron mga ganyan Libra? Meron kang gustong tinapos? Curious lang ako kung ano itong what really makes you happy. Ano ba yung definition mo para for you to celebrate or something? Para yung winning moments mo na yon. Yan yata yung hinihintay mo eh. Ano ba yung winning moments? Definition ng winning moments mo. Okay. Knowledge. Okay, dalawa yung new beginning mo rito. Dalawa yung new beginning mo rito. And you gonna move it, you move to that direction very quickly. O hindi ka makapag-decision. But you need to make a decision here. Kung meron kang ano dito, indecision pa rin ito. Kung meron some Libra here na nakikita ko nakapag-decision na, and congratulations. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi ng card. Okay? So, two type of Libra yung nakikita ko rito. Yung isang hindi makapag-desisyon, yung isang nakapag-desisyon na. And I'm gonna tell you, it's very rewarding. I'm not saying na yung kasi sabi ng tarot, okay? Maraming dynamics ito eh. Maraming dynamics ito kung bakit yung ibang Libra, they already gone through that ending. Tinapos nila eh. And for them, congratulations. You did a good job for making that decision. Okay, tingnan natin Libra. Meron pang to. I just curious kung I don't want to make ano ba tawag dito, advice na sige gawin mo yung decision hiwalayan mo kung gusto mo hiwalayan. Okay, that it doesn't work that way. But you need to make but it's coming. The decision is coming soon. Kung hindi ikaw ang magdedesisyon ito, sila ang magdedesisyon for you. That's what it says here as well, Libra. Okay? Kung new opportunities sa work related, ito I don't want to sound negative. Okay, meron kang alam na, let's say yung kumpanya magsasarado, okay? Magsasarado na yung kumpanya, pero nagbabaka sakali ka. There's nothing wrong about that kasi maganda yung kumpanya, agree? Pero yung may-ari decided na to have a different direction, okay? Relationship yan. Ngayon, meron ka namang opportunity to move dun sa kaibigan o affiliate or something, but you're having an indecision. Ngayon, yung universe na nagsasabi na you move there. Okay? Now, hindi ko sinasabi na yung opportunity na yun will be available kapag nagsara yung kumpanya. Okay? But that window of opportunity on that time, the universe is telling you that you have to. Ayan yung sun, oh. I think this is the Libra who would make a decision, and congratulations. And it's gonna happen soon. So, they make a decision, kung ano man yan. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-decision, the universe is telling, I'm not saying this, the universe is telling na it's a major arcana. It's shifting to your favor. Libra. Ayan, no? It's a childlike adventure, and you just need to own it. I think bakit ba pumasok yun? You need to own. I think yan ang mga reality ng buhay. You just need to own it. If you want to cut it loose, yes, kaya yung yan yung yung bukang liwayway kapag pagkatapos ng gabi may bukang liwayway, and Tama ba yung bukang liwayway o sunrise? Yeah. And that sunrise and will turn into a bigger na ano, it's the sun. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan ka eh. You're going away and you're moving to the sun. Ayaw mo na nung kadiliman. Yeah. Okay? Kadiliman is just all about, yun ang definition natin, eh, bleaky, malungkot or something. And it's, and the news is coming, and I think you're the one who should make that decision. Otherwise, iba yung magdedesisyon sa'yo. So, yung sinasabi ko na, yung kumpanya magsasara, pero, you're hoping na it's gonna be okay. But, ito na yung ano, kumbaga sa ano, yung boss mo na nagsabi na ilipat na kita doon and you will be happy over there. Yes. Ayan siya, oh. Meron ka ring eureka moment dito eh. Meron bang ganyan Libra na kailangan mong tapusin? Yeah. And you've been strategizing. You are stressed out actually. Pero after ng pagiging stress out, tinapos mo na rin eh, or tatapusin. Nagkaroon ka lang ng indecision. That's why you have this hangang mode, oh. Kailangan daw baguhin yung perspective. Yeah, parang yung sapatos, sabi ko, di ba yung example is, gusto mo yung sapatos na yun, pagtsatsagaan mo, definitely. Okay, you're happy with the comfort of ng sapatos eh. Pero, bumili ka nagdududa ka kung yung sapatos na bibili mo kasi wala na yung sapatos na gusto mo eh. Yung dati eh. Kung saan ka komportable. I think that's also coming from comfort zone. Yung pagiging hangman mo, indecision. Sometimes we are in our comfort zone. Ayaw na natin yung ano pa, yung mapagod. Agree? Meron ba ganyan Libra? Knowing Libra minsan, that's something. But it calls for a celebration. Sabi. Yeah, September 8 to 14 po. Tignan natin yung message ng moon. Okay, tignan natin kung ano yung message ng moon for Libra. Libra. Oops. Madulas itong card, oracle card na ito. Isang card lang moon. Tignan natin. Libra. Okay, oops. Come on. Isa lang. Give me one card. Kapag ako na nang kukuha kapag ayaw niya. Ayun. Okay. May kaibigan ka bang Leo, Libra? Okay. Sabi dito, it is an important time to guard against being self-centered, over-opinionated or pushy. Totoo ba yan, Libra? Okay. Alam mo kung bakit sinabi sa iyan? Ito yun, oh. Mahangin ito eh. Yes? Is that something na you need to watch out? O meron kang Leo in your chart? Okay? Indecision minsan is you're having a doubt. Okay? Indecision is having a doubt. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng indecision. So, hindi ka naman siguro yung pushy. Okay? Self-centered. So, again, and not everything it resonates kasi yan eh. So, some sa mga ibang Libra. So, that's something na you need to watch out. Watch out. Yes? Okay. September 8 to 14. So, shout out po ang mga OFW if there's something na naka-resonate. But, you have that sun. You have that sun, lovely sun. And you will be celebrating. Yes, congratulations, Libra. September 8 to 14. So, salamat po. See you again.